A few days ago, we saw some pictures that showed how the new Galaxy S24 Ultra might look. Now there are new pictures that give us a closer and more detailed look at the phone's design. These pictures are really high quality and have more information than the ones we saw before. At the rate, Tecmazo Concept and Rutter Super worked together to create pictures of the Galaxy S24 Ultra's design. The phone looks a lot like the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but it has a frame made of strong titanium material. In these pictures, the titanium frame looks like it has a brushed metal finish. The buttons and the top of the S Pen are not as round as before. The phone screen is flat with just a little curve where the glass meets the metal frame. The S Pen has the same color as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The loudspeaker doesn't have a grid-like design anymore. It has a slot-like. Also recently, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's design was revealed by Smart Pricks and OnLeaks. They used 3D CAD renders of the new Samsung flagship phone. It seems that the Galaxy S24 Ultra looks a lot like the previous model, the Galaxy S23 Ultra. It has a square design with sharp corners and a little curve on the sides. Unlike the Galaxy S24, it doesn't have flat sides. The report mentions that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a 6.8-inch screen, and it seems that Samsung has gone for a flat screen this time, which is different from the previous Ultra models in the Galaxy S series. The phone size is 162.3 x 79 x 8.7 millimeters, making it a bit shorter and wider compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. On the back, there are 4 cameras. It's anticipated that the phone will come with a 200MP main camera, a 12MP wide-angle camera, a 10MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50MP telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. If earlier reports are accurate, Samsung won't include a 10x optical zoom lens in this phone. In the 360-degree video, you can see the USB Type-C port at the bottom, along with a microphone, a loudspeaker, and a slot for the SIM card. On the right side, there are the power and volume buttons, and it seems like there might be a UWB or M-Wave 5G antenna there too. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks, and see you next time. Peace out.